Hi, I'm Corey, and this is Desert DIY. If you are new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button if you like to see renovations, furniture DIYs, awesome before and after videos, and things like that. Today I have a kitchen remodel video. Now, I remodeled my kitchen before I had a YouTube channel, so I don't have a ton of videos, but I do have a ton of pictures from the before. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by showing you what this house used to look like. This is my kitchen from 1970s. I had yellow appliances, yellow fridge, yellow oven, and a yellow sink, if you can believe it. But now it looks completely different than this, and I think you're gonna really be surprised by the after. But let me just explain some of the things that we did in this kitchen as I'm going along. Here's a look at the layout that it used to be. We used to have this huge peninsula and really low ceilings, and here you can see we removed the peninsula. Now you can see this is our old pantry after we had already removed the doors and uppers, and this is showing how we removed that low ceiling that we had. We had to rewire everything in there because the ceiling had all of our wires, our main wires in it, so we had to rewire it in that old entry door that's to the left of where the fridge is going. The sink had a horrible leak that we had no idea was happening, so we had to redo all the drywall and fix the leak. We put in some new cabinets. We got these from Home Depot. Counters. This is what they look like before you install them. We installed new drywall. Stained our cabinets. And then we installed shiplap tongue and groove boards over the walls instead of doing drywall. It's much easier and I loved how it looked. We whitewashed all of that to give it more of a cohesive look with the kitchen. And then last, you can see that we started installing the floors. They were concrete with linoleum underneath the tiles. And I'll show you the after now. So I'm going to start out on the right side of my kitchen, and if you hear some funny sounds in the background, that's my newborn son. He has the hiccups and he's learning to use his voice. But the countertops here are a Formica, and we went to Home Depot and found out who Home Depot uses when you pay Home Depot to do these countertops. So we just used that manufacturer directly and cut out the middleman and saved tons of money. You have to special order this edging on the countertop from the manufacturer as well as the color. It's not one of the ones that they sell inside Home Depot. And the backsplash here is a tongue and groove board that we whitewashed, and I just used, it's called pickling, whitewash pickling, and it's like a wood stain that's like a pretty much watered down white paint. These enamel buckets or bowls I got from my mom, and then the cabinets down below are from Home Depot, and we just stained them with a gray wood stain and put on hardware. The dishwasher used to actually be over there, and we moved it to this side because it was really inconvenient over there. The sink is a single basin sink, just stainless steel. I think we got this from Lowe's. And then the faucet we got from Home Depot, I believe. And then we tiled inside the windowsill here. Over here, I made this little soap tray out of an old pie pan and a candle holder. And then this 3-tiered basket is from Home Goods. The backsplash over here, I bought the tiles from Floor & Decor and installed them myself. It was really easy. And then this cabinet, we just took the doors off and I painted it with a chalk paint, a blue chalk paint. And I have all my dishes that I use daily in this cabinet. As we move this way, you can see these are the cabinets that we installed ourselves, and then the top is the same tongue and groove board that we just used whitewashing on. And then the ceiling is a very thin, like a 1/4 inch thick pine tongue and groove boards that we had stained in a walnut, and we installed the ceiling lights ourselves. The stove, we are waiting to find a 36-inch wide stove to match the size of our hood vent because there's a little bit of a gap here. I just have a spice storage in there for now. The backsplash is a marble backsplash that we got from Floor & Decor as well. This was harder to install, but we did do it ourselves. And then the counters, cabinets, everything just continues this way. My kitchen island, I didn't get any videos of how I made it, so I'll just kind of explain a little bit of what I did. The actual cabinet itself is something that I picked up from somebody who was giving it away for free. It is actually a sink cabinet and drawers on the side. So this drawer is like a fake drawer since there would have usually been a sink in there. But I whitewashed it and I use it for all my big appliances. So it doesn't really matter that there's not a drawer here because I need the height. And then I still need to put on the same hardware as the other cabinets. Ooh, bless you. But I haven't done that yet. We just whitewashed it and then I covered the back of it with the same type of tongue and groove board that is in the rest of the kitchen. And then these bar stools are from Walmart. They were really cheap. I think they were like less than $20 a piece. And then the brackets that are underneath here are from Hobby Lobby. And I got them, I think they were like $6 a piece because they were half off when I bought them. We have 5 bar stools. Bless you. We have 5 bar stools to fit the whole island because there are 5 of us in our household. And then these flowers, my husband actually surprised me with them today. Today is his birthday and also it is our 10-year anniversary of being together. Not our wedding anniversary, but like actually being together. So he surprised me with those on his own birthday. Aren't they beautiful? And then as we go this way, there's our fridge. No big deal. Regular old fridge. And then this is a little command center that we created. This is the area where there used to be a door going into our sunroom, and it now houses a big electrical panel that you can see in the before parts of the video. And it's right behind this cabinet right there. It has to be accessible. It can't be covered permanently, so we can only hang something over it. We can't actually close it in. So I thought this was a good solution for that. And then this is the leftover piece of the walnut countertop that we have on the island. I actually did it at my previous home and had to cut it shorter, so this piece was just scrap. So it was kind of free in a way. And then we have the same tongue and groove boards going all the way up. And then over here, we made it kind of like faux beams. It used to be a really low archway that was like right about there. And it just felt really claustrophobic. When we opened up the walls, we saw that it had this gap already. And so we just wrapped it to make it look like beams, and then I added these in. I've had those forever. I got them for free. I don't even remember where, but I painted them gray, nailed them in, and I think it looks great there. And then as we turn to the far left side of the kitchen, this is like our butler's pantry. And it's all still cabinets from Home Depot. There's my daughter's water cup. And then the same countertop, everything is the same as the rest of the kitchen. But the backsplash is also the tongue and groove board there. And then the top, the decor I have up there are things I've collected over time. The painting I got from an antique store for like 20 bucks, and it is massive. I'm gonna guess it's like 3 or 4 feet wide. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but it's really huge. And then I have a sign over here from Hobby Lobby that I got in clearance. It just says pantry. I'm actually thinking of painting the sides here, this like a darker gray like this, to match a little better, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. I want to talk a little bit about the floors. The floors are a luxury vinyl plank. They're extremely easy to install. I did all of it myself. You only need a couple tools and they're very cheap. And it was about $2.79 a square foot, but you don't have to buy anything else. Just the flooring. It has its own padding underneath each piece. You literally just click it in and it's waterproof and very durable, scratch resistant. Okay, well, now I've talked about everything, so I'm going to just give you a few more shots of the kitchen, and that way you can take your time getting to see all the different things that we did and try and remember what was in the before And see how different it is now in the after. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more just like it. I will see you next time. Bye!